Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a review on this electric spinner brush. Pretty cool little device, and I'm going to show you what all the attachments are. Plus, I'm going to clean these dirty Crocs that are my son's, and we're going to give it a test. We're going to be using soap water, so it's just an experiment, but I also want to test how good this thing could actually clean. So without further ado, let's get started. So it came with this little thing to hang on the wall, and so you can hang your scrubber, and it's a little bit more convenient. I won't be using this, but it's still pretty cool. So this one here has a little sticky pad, and you can just remove it and then put it right on the wall. So yeah, it's pretty dope. And the pole would just go right in here, and then this thing would sit right there, and the pole would be right under it. So yeah, you can see how this would work. So this is a large brush head. This is more for like your living room. And this pointed brush here, this is more for like cleaning corners. This small brush right here, it's more for like cleaning the gas hood of your kitchen. And then we have our wool claw that you can be using to clean the interior of your car. And then we have this big cloth. This is for like any kind of large area. So that's pretty great. And then this is for like cleaning windows. It can be inside your shower or any kind of windows. And then this one is for like cleaning heavy kind of oil or anything like that. So yeah. And this last one here is a sponge. This is good for like cleaning tables and stuff like that. And yeah, they each have an attachment. And to put it into the spinner, you just click it in right here. Pretty easy. Boom. That's it. And to take it off, just pull it out. Very, very easy. Pretty nice. We're not going to be using a lot of these attachments today because we're going to be cleaning our Crocs here. So we're going to go ahead and put what we're not going to use away. And we just put this brush away. I'll keep this little angle one, which looks pretty good for little corners. Everything else, I just throw it into this pretty cool bag and just kind of put it off to the side. I actually need one of these. I'm going to go with the small brush because these Crocs are small. So I'll use these two. And then this bag, just put it to the side. There we go. And I put a towel here because I have my table and I don't want to get it super dirty. But we have our Crocs here. And we're going to start off with the hard brush. And then I have my soap and water. I'm going to show you guys right now. Guys, we have our Crocs and our soap and water, and we're going to give this thing a shot. Look how dirty these Crocs are. Let's start off with the bottom, and I'll clean one and then we'll compare the other. Okay, so I'm not going to clean that one. I'm just going to clean one of these. So it says not to dip the brush all the way in, so just dip it a little bit, and we're going to give this thing a try. Maybe we're going to make a mess. Oh. Get some more soap. So far it's looking like it's gonna work pretty well, but let's see.
Low speed? I really like that second low speed.
This is phenomenal. White shoes, forget about it. This is so satisfying, you will not believe. I can literally sit here for days and just clean some white shoes. You know, and these shoes, I was afraid because these are my sons, and I'm like, man, they're gonna get so dirty. But a little soap and water, oh my god, this is unbelievable. So let's hit the inside. Alright, so now we're going to hit the bottom, guys. And like I said, this thing's looking pretty awesome already. You need to stop to get more soap, go ahead and do it. Obviously there's better things to clean this with, but just using soap and water today. I'm going to hit it with that last detail brush. Alright, so let's switch out our brushes. Change to this one here. I'm going to hit it one more time. Get a little bit of soap, and let's go. Oh yeah, I feel like it's getting more. It's really getting in there. Alright guys, I'm going to clean these up and we'll have the moment of truth. I'm going to compare both Crocs. Alright guys, as you can see, this thing did a tremendous job on these Crocs. Look how nice and white these are. They basically look brand new, no lie. Like these things, if I wanted to resell them or just gift them to somebody, even though they're used, yeah, they're in great shape. Look at these things. Any new kid can wear these and they'll be perfect. Now look at the old one. Wow. What a difference. Seriously. Just look at that. It's night and day. This brush, this is mainly what I'm going to be using this brush for, is cleaning shoes. This is great, man. I'm like super excited because I'm always having to do this with a toothbrush. And now I'm going to be able to do it with this brush. Awesome. I love this thing. Well, hopefully this helps you guys. I'm definitely a fan of this brush, so go ahead and pick one up. I'll see you guys on the next review. All right.